We often see customers who have started their IoT deployment, and in fact they've done their development in the lab, maybe taking a SIM card out of their phone, putting it in and checking to see, look, I can get this modem connected, I can deliver service. And then starting to say, should I be using this mobile network operator, which is the one that I had in my phone, I had in my handset, should I be using them to roll out my IoT deployment? And whilst there could be advantages of working with a mobile network operator because they're in country, we find that a lot of customers are struggling once they start to try to run to scale. And there are a number of issues that come to light. First of all, as they're building up the number of devices, the mobile network operator isn't necessarily able to provide the level of service that they need for IoT devices. So that could be, for example, customized routing or firewalls, or even custom DNS entries to make sure that the devices are able to access servers over the lifetime where things are moving as products are developing. And that's where Eseye can really come in and help, because our team of support engineers, technical consultants, actually understand how IoT devices work. IoT is what they live and breathe every day. And therefore, their real passion is trying to say, how do I make it so this device can connect and connect better? And therefore, again, some of the tools that Eseye can offer, for example, offering you signal traces, working with you to work through the actual packets of data that's being delivered to the server, and saying, as this packet is being delivered, how is it being routed, and understanding every single component within there means that rather than it being a black box of connectivity, this is something that you can really get inside and see exactly how the connectivity is being delivered. And that's one of the reasons why customers like working with us. Another feature that we can offer is, as customers are building, they initially often start in a single country or single region, and customers often want to grow their businesses internationally. And sometimes they find that's because their customers are calling for it rather than because it was part of their original plan. So they might have been planning to roll out in a particular country and then find that actually the product is working very well and they're getting inquiries from another country where they want to be able to use it. And again, that's where Eseye's multi-IMSI, multi-profile SIM card really comes in. Because with the same card and delivering the service in the same way, they can start to roll out their product in a new country in a new way and know that Eseye is behind them, delivering it with the same consistent APN, the same management, the same billing interface, and the same technical support, of course. And therefore, they can be confident that those devices will have a long-term deployment life, both in the country they were originally expected to be in and as they roll out throughout the world.